Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Swaggy, and today we are doing road again. And my husband, he came to one place. He wants to frame his jerseys from Vietnam and from Russia and his national Jamaican jersey. So I'm gonna show you the place. It looks so nice. The place just looks amazing. So guys, I never knew something like that exists in Kingston. Look, it's almost like an art museum, and you can also buy here furniture, and furniture looks so cool and it smells like wood here, like literally you can smell the quality. But here stuff must be really exclusive. Look at them chairs or whatever it is. They have a bed, but we decided to buy king size bed for our new house because we can't manage good size kids. They sometimes sleep with us. Yeah, so definitely gonna get one king size one. Danny, пойдем. Oh, look at this lamp. That looks good.
I'm so excited.
Huh? You're so excited? And hey. Huh? What's that? I'm gonna get a joke for first. Sorry. Here, sometimes guys it happens to be door. Miss slow, Miss sorry. Look how slow. Alright, so it looks so lit. I'm just amazed by the beauty, so that's why my thoughts they flew away. But oh, he like on the picture, like he carries bananas. It's like super authentic stuff. I mean something. Some oh, that looks like some voodoo shit. Лео, привет! Тебе нравится тут? Остаешься? Leo decided to stay. Yeah. And we are here. So let's see if Errol gonna find out about. Okay. Yeah. So, Danny, there is no phone.
No phone?
No phone. Look at this mirror. Wow. This is amazing. It's like super, no, not really heavy. Mirror. And oh, the price. 44 Jamaican thousand. Here, so the stuff is not cheap here. Yeah, like I told you guys, so I have to watch my kids because I don't want to damage something, so I have to, pay fee. Yes, so you need to be very, very careful. Danny? Yeah. So, oh, they have more stuff here. Wow, I love the paintings, and here they sell beds, and this is the counter. I'm going back to the kids because honestly I am afraid they're gonna do something. Да. Смотрю. Что это? And here, guys, you can see a lot of pictures. Somebody draw it. Yeah, like real pictures, not posters. It looks so good. It's like an art gallery, though. Leo, stop run. Do not run. No, don't run, please.
Mama, you're
not
running.
Yeah.
Daddy, come here. Check it out.
Then he wants me to check out something. Okay. Well, then you like the chairs. You like the chairs, Daniel? They are very strong though. It's a wood. It's a good wood. How much for them? So it's 85,000 for them. It's a what? It's a chair.
Yeah. You just cut the chair and then you put the chair down there.
Yeah.
So it's not broken.
Cheese. So I noticed one painting. What you guys think about this one? Looks a little scary to me, but you know, art is art.
So to do this one, all of that is
Back. And back too.
Yeah, and in this shop, guys, price starts from 20,000. So this is probably the cheapest thing I found, and it's about 10,000 for the little something. Yeah.
You show me the back on this one as well.
Yeah.
4,000. I like this one. This one looks cute. How much for it? Oh, 4,000 for it. I wonder what it's made from. Тани. Смотри, я тебя вижу. Классно?
Большой.
Да, я большая? Я с Эдом бегу.
Ты большая.
Или я большой?
Нет.
Смотри, у тебя большой глаз.
Вот это nice.
Nice.
So you make up more.
Okay.
And it's not. It's good.
Good. Mm-hmm.
And it's cheese.
Peace.
Peas.
Peace.
Peas.
Well, next thing I wanted to show you. Look at this picture. The lamp is like 60,000 plus tax. Yeah, guys. So we came to Devon House. Best brothers. When Leo wants to something, he is very cute to extreme level. We are going to eat ice cream, by the way. Yeah, I'm going to buy ice cream. Oh, they have pizzeria here. Yes, guys, not so much people. And this looks nice and chilly. Guys, Devon House itself. And if you know the history, the first Jamaican millionaire used to own this house. Just a little historical note for you. But I am more than sure you know. Sure Jamaican people know. Yeah, but for other people, yeah. And we're going to the ice cream section. And it's not a free day, guys, because of the coronavirus. Kids, they don't go to school, so they're at home and they study via Zoom. So it's just a regular day and we are together. Yeah, but people there though, people go visit. So if your kid is over 5 years old, you need to make him wear a mask or no entry. That's all security said. So yeah, we're going in. Yeah? I don't want none. I'm on a diet. Yeah, so I'm just gonna, steal a little lick, little bite of my kid's ice cream. good ice cream.
Yeah.
Where's Daniel?
Really good. Good and strong.
Daddy, ice cream.
Yeah, ice cream is coming.
I have a bad feeling that he's gonna drop it. I wanted to buy bigger cone. He is gonna drop it. I'm telling you. We had already one time. It happened already, and I bet it happened to many people before. So that's why I don't really like the look of something. It's not even a cone. You can barely call it a cone.
Everybody's like magic.
Everybody gone, and it's like a magic. I'm not holding nothing. I hope for the best.
I hold in mommy and I hold in Daniel.
They hold ice cream.
But yeah, hold your ice cream. So going back to find the seat.
It's really yummy ice cream.
Yeah, here guys, the honest review from Leo. It's very yummy ice cream. Yeah.
It's mama in the background.
Here's the garbage. Mama, here's the garbage. Look, there's the garbage there. Look, garbage is
Yes,
there.
it's there. So guys, Errol bought grape nut and he bought cookies and cream. And grape nut is actually really good. So when you come here to Jamaica and you go to Devon House with flavor, your favorite, drop
Ice cream.
drop your favorite flavor. So yeah, maybe I'm gonna
Flavor
try
ice
because I'm not really good with flavors. So far I tried only grape nut and like vanilla and strawberry. But so far for me, grape nut is winning and pistachio. Two flavors, they're winning. Yeah, but Errol said no matter what, he naga salot. Oh, you naga salot. Grape nut, yeah. Cat. This is a cat, local cat. So in Jamaica, people call cat puss. Yeah, it's a puss. Then Leo, скажи puss.
Puss.
Puss. How in Jamaica people call cats? Like, how them call? Like in Russia, them say yeah?
No.
Like a restaurant that made
No, that's...
oh, in Russia they call yeah. Alright, come on.
Yeah, man, respect, man.
Guys, we came on the playground. There is a little playground here. And yeah, they cut the trees. They are cutting the trees, so it's pretty dangerous, but they let us stay in the corner, in the right corner. We're here, so they're not really gonna affect us. But surprised, it's open. What a joy for the kids! What a joy! Something like that. They're probably not it only in Russia.
The car.
Yeah.
Oh, it's not working. I'm supposed to buy it.
Mm-hmm.
So you let me phone tell the picture?
I will. Leo likes the bike.
Yeah, I can do it like a bike.
Come here, darling.
Yeah.
Come here. You see that? Look up in the air. Yes, don't go there. Come on. No, it's
Come on, dude.
So the tree's gonna jump in the head. Look at the tree. It's gonna jump in the head. That's all.
Yeah.
Yeah, cheese.
Daddy, I ride it.
Why today it's such a hot day. Today is like the sun is on fire. And it's so hot door. Today is extra hot.
Come here.
I'm so high.
Oh, I think the guy gonna tell us that we need to come out. Come out here. Oh, let you in. Come out here. Alright guys, so it's the end of today vlog and see you next time. Take care. Bye.
Johnny.